Hi friends, this is Shahid Ahmad and you're watching my YouTube channel The Geek. Today I came to my cousin's house to show his beautiful Sidelock shotguns made by Army and Navy and Charles Lancaster. Good evening viewers. Today on our Gun Geek channel we are going to bring you the story and the antecedents of the classic English Sidelock gun. What I have here is one of the finest grades possible of a classic English Sidelock gun. Now, as everybody knows, it's got a straight stock, double triggers. This is a land game gun, 28-inch barrels, and every such gun has a history and antecedents attached to it. So this gun is a grade 6, one of the finest grade guns made by the London makers Army and Navy, grade 6. You can see the barrels are very well made with the art of the master barrel borer, and when this is fitted onto this action, it is the art of the final assembly where a soot lamp is used to absolutely mirror these pieces to the action. These barrels are very well controlled. At 30 yards, the shot charge from the right barrel and the shot charge from the left barrel is exactly at the same position. I measured it many times on shooting ranges. The right barrel of this gun is pure cylinder, so in metric terms 18.6 mm. The left barrel is slightly choked. The typical English description of that is improved cylinder, and in metric terms 18.4. One of the most important things, if you close up on this action is the art of the engraver. A master engraver may take almost a year to form this engraving over here of the classic rose English scroll, and these, you can see the side plates. This is a classic James Purdy design. Double triggers, you can see the engraving over here, then on the base where the barrels meet the action, and even on the trigger guards and on this plate over here, the classic English rose scroll. You look at the butt, pure Turkish walnut of grade 6 and very perfectly hand finished. Overall, this gun is a piece of art, a classic, absolute beauty to own. Not just a gun for shooting, but this is an absolute collectible. Now let me take you through the antecedents of this gun. This gun was manufactured in 1921. This is exactly 100 years old. Now, the University of Newcastle in England, it maintains the record books of every gun manufactured by any London gun maker for Army and Navy. So way back about a decade ago, I did travel all the way to Newcastle. It was on business, but then I did happen to go to the University of Newcastle library and the filing rooms, and we took out the Army and Navy records. This gun was brought into India from the Victoria Street showroom of Army and Navy. It still exists there. They do sell a lot of outdoor equipment and clothes and cutlery and crockery. Not the way they used to sell ammunition, guns and rifles earlier. But still that store very much exists and it has a history. Now, the person who had ordered this gun in 1921 was a British Army general, a Scotsman called Lord Ingram McCurdy from the Scottish Highlands. and he was here in service in India till about 1942, based out of Fort William. Once he departed, just before leaving India, he sold this to the family of Mr. Priyaranjan Das Munshi, who used to be a landlord in Bengal. And this gun was in his family's possession for over 50 years. Finally, his grandson sold it to a company called 80 Dow in Calcutta, and that's where we bought this gun in 1987. So now the butt pad of this still says it is 80 Dow. Otherwise, this gun is in the same condition as it left the James Purdy factory in 1921. We have been using this gun. It's been with my family for about 35 years now. So this is a classic 28-inch English Sidelock with selective ejectors and double triggers. Now, a gun which has got a historical value would be a classic English Sidelock or the over-under guns, the ones manufactured by Boss and Company even back then in 1920s. They did make it, but now of course it's evolved on its own with some of the top manufacturers, people like Parazzi, Beretta, Browning, making very, very fine over and under guns, and it's got history, single trigger guns. But this gun, we have used it a lot for skeet shooting, and this is the classic English game gun, the ones which is used through syndicates or on the private states for shooting grouse, for shooting pheasants, Spanish partridges, grey partridges. That's what this gun is for. Typically, these guns were chambered in 65 mm or 2.5 inches, and they shoot loads of 30-31 grams. In imperial terms, it would be 1 by 8 ounce, 1 by 16 ounce. But things like 65 mm, 67 mm cartridges are becoming rare. So now this has given way to single trigger over and under guns. On the most prestigious of English suits, it could be a Mollen shoot or the Ripley Castle shoot. If somebody came in with an over-under Browning or an Aya or a Beretta, he would be frowned upon. But today, the English Sidelock has given way to the over and under gun. It's got historical value. Now, this gun, the where I use it, it is the Maharaja of Kishanganj who holds a side-by-side competition every year in Jaipur. And this gun is a marvel to shoot in those competitions. I'll show you another gun. This is, of course, the finest English grade. Then I have another Sidelock. This is made by Charles Lancaster, and this is a plain grade gun. This one is a slightly different gun. This is a duck gun. Charles Lancaster, he was one of the best barrel borers, and he worked for the firm of, the great firm of Joseph Manton himself, the great Joseph Manton. But as the business of Joseph Manton grew, Charles Lancaster started assembling his own guns, and these are one of the very fine examples. One of the things is that it's got a very, very strong barrel loading mechanism. Can you see this? This little dovetail joint that comes right down the rib and fits into the crevice here. Besides the normal 3 locking lugs. And of course, it's got the same kind of selective ejectors. Grade of the wood, quite good, about grade 4. A 30-inch barrel, right barrel, improved modified, left barrel, fully choked, and as with that gun, the right barrel, 2 pounds of crisp braking pressure, rear trigger for the left barrel, 2.5. So this was the story of the classic English Sidelock guns. I hope you enjoyed doing it. Thank you. I hope you liked this video of this beautiful Army and Navy Sidelock and a Charles Lancaster Sidelock. Do like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you.